Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's Senior Kitchen. I'm going to show you to fry plantain and also use the same plantain and make fritters. I'm going to show you how to crush the plantain and use it make fritters. So to make the plantain fritters, we have to slice up the plantain to get it easier to be crushed. So this is the way we crush it. So this is the way my crushed plantain looks to make the fritters. As I say, I'm going to show you how to fry plantain also. It's time to show you how to mix the ingredients together. So you're going to put in the crushed plantain first. Make sure the plantain is ripe. Here we have an egg, crush one egg inside of it. A cup and a half of flour. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to mix. Just don't need any water inside of it. It's time to go ahead and fry your fritters, your plantain fritters. So I'm going to show you how to also do your fried plantain. Slice it very thin. Slices again. So it's time to put in our oil inside the pot to fry our plantain fritters and also show you how to fry plantain. It's time to show you how to make the fritters. So you're going to drop it very thin. Going to drop again. Make sure your flame very low underneath the pot. You don't supposed to force fry. You're supposed to fry at a very low flame to don't make your fritters burn. Alright, plantain crush. Turn it. Wow, pretty golden color. Oh, wow. Pretty. This one cannot turn as yet. So I'm going to move to the next one. Pretty golden color. Don't mind this, it's going to come right off. Oh, it is so golden pretty. You see it have it spongy there, very soft. The egg make it very soft. And your baking powder. Nice golden. Plantain crush fritters. Very nice. This is the way your plantain fritters look when it's finished fried. Very pretty golden color. Time to show you how to fry plantain. This is a full breakfast. You don't need any bread with this. Just some of the fritters and some of the fried plantain. It's time to turn the plantain. I don't like my plantain very dark. If you, as a person, love your plantain very dark, you can keep it in a little longer to make it dark. My plantain really finished. You can make it darker if you're a person love your plantain to